Okay, let me show you my first project that I have stored for y'all. This one is called Space Shooter. Okay, so for controls we have WASD, the classic controls for any video game by now at least, to move across the screen. Space to shoot lasers, or you can also touch the screen if you want to shoot lasers. And C to change sprites of the spacecraft. This is my spacecraft, similar to Asterix.io. This game is actually. So whenever I shoot lasers, it will actually be blue. When I change, my lasers look like fire. And when I change again, this purple sprite of my spaceship, it would look like plasma. So I added this because some players want to customize their player sprites. So I add a little sprite costumes to my player sprite, so that you can press C to change your costume into a newer spaceship. So for this one, it will shoot red colored lasers. For for this one, for the purple one, it will shoot pink colored plasma lasers. And for blue ones, or probably even cyan with the tips, it can shoot blue lasers. It's very cool because you get to move around, and this is a very good remix. In my opinion, I think it's pretty good remix of Griff Patch's Lemonoid's game. And I also added health bars so that it will look like I'm actually fighting the asteroids. And I also made the health bar look like whenever the asteroids hit my spaceship, I will actually take damage. I'll also add the end screen so that whenever it gets zero health bar, when the health bar gets to like zero over here, I will actually show game over. I'll also update it so that it will have nice clean effects, and you can also get the background music to it too. You can just go to my profile and then click on this game. It's basically called Space Shooter #Space Game. That's the name of the game. This is the code on the top left. That's the project code. So you can also view that too. Okay guys, so I have made another project called Geometry Dash Beta version. You can see it over here, and I added a Geometry Dash sprite so that so I'm pretty sure that everybody has probably might have played Geometry Dash once. And so I recreated this based on Scratch Genius's tutorials on how to make a Geometry Dash game in Scratch. And I made it properly so that whenever you jump on the spike you die, but there was a glitch that whenever like over here, you see I died in midair, and also I somehow jumped over the spikes. I have to fix that glitch because that really messes up the game, and basically that just gives the player a freebie to go away. So I have to fix the enemy sprite, and then I will get a little bit more of a level done because I only made two sprites, level sprites for now. I added the background, the bluish colored background, and the level, so it feels like it's actually scrolling, using scrolling environments in this game. Yes, that's it for my Geometry Dash beta scratch version. You can go to my profile again and go to my studios. And this is the name of the project, so you can check it out whenever you want. And also you can, if you want to improve it by yourself, you can also remix the project and then message me on my profile so that you can like that you made any verifications of my project, like if I made any mistakes or what should I do to improve my projects, like that. That's one of my other projects, and I'm gonna show you one in a minute.
Okay, so this is another project that I want to show y'all was Windows 7 beta version. Okay, let's start it up. That's the starting screen, the logo, the starting Windows, blah blah blah. Okay, please wait screen and then the login screen. Beautiful. Yes, I have used some sprites from different scratchers in Scratch, and I will give them credit too later on. So so I added the login screen. Whenever I press this button we have over here, it will welcome, and I don't have to put my password in because I don't need to add that in my project. So this is the actual Windows. That's the date and time that I put in there, and and I have a little bit of buttons, but I'll add the Google one, the audio one later. For now, I've added this. So whenever I press this button, the Windows button, it will automatically get you to this pop-up, and then you can actually press shut down to shut down your laptop. I mean, not the actual thing, but the laptop in Scratch. I mean, duh, obviously. And then this Explorer, whenever you click that, it will get up this pop-up. But now the real challenge is I have to get this X button, because the thing is I have not added it yet, and I'm not that's why I can't exit out. So I'm planning to add this buttons and also some buttons over here. And whenever I press this button while I have opened this sprite up, it will not allow me because I didn't add the front. Whenever this sprite clicked, go to front layer. That's why. So I have to fix these bugs and add new features to my Windows 7 beta version. So far, I have done little progress, and I think I need more sprites and more time to do finish this. I added this time because this is the date when I actually first um did this project, 2022, and this timing at night, to be honest. Yeah. So this is my project for Windows 7 beta version. I will add updates to it, and I will like do more with it, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. My major and the best projects that I've been working on in my Scratch account. Just go to my profile. You can just message me over here. If you just scroll down, get over here, and then just message whatever you want to do. Any ideas? Any like some, if you want to like help me with some projects, you can also put it over here. You can also join some of my, not this one though. That's not my studio. I just joined it. But these like you can join this one, or this one, because that's I hosted those projects, or you can add the other ones if you want to. Yeah, you can join those, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. I will add more updates to my projects, and then, well, I will see you later. Goodbye.